It is recommended that the Recoup Pipe HEX remains in the box until it is ready to locate in the mounting brackets. The mains water connections can easily be made while the pipe hex is secure and less likely to be damaged. Red plastic dust caps are placed in the half-inch female BSP water connections at the factory following pressure testing, which are easily removed before installing the adapters. The metal ring around these connections provides increased strength to the moulded end and must not be removed. When preparing the water connections of the pipe hex, a force of no more than 30 Nm should be applied when installing the half-inch male adapters. Liquid thread sealant is highly recommended as you can easily line up the start of the thread and install the full length of the thread with minimal force. Most sealants will have cured by the time you have mounted the pipe hex and ready to connect pipework. WRS approved PTFE or thread seal cord can be used to seal the fittings, but just be mindful not to apply too much of it. Putting too much on can lead to excess force being used before the fitting is fully inserted, or cause cross-threading from difficulty starting the thread, both of which could damage the connection. When connecting pipework to the half-inch male adapters, ensure the adapters are held firmly whilst tightening the pipework to them. Forces exceeding 30 Nm could be applied through the adapter if they are not held in place. Using push-fit half-inch male BSP connectors can help prevent over-tightening of the threaded connector when connecting pipework. As with all push-fit waste systems, it is recommended to lubricate the supplied push-fit waste fittings before assembly, including the O-rings of the turbo rotator, which could come out of position if not lubricated before installing the turbo rotator cap. The waste pipe connection into the turbo rotator is 43 mm solvent weld. It is recommended that only shower and bath wastewater runs through the Recoup Pipe HEX. Wastewater from basins, for example, could lead to a build-up of contaminants such as toothpaste on the inner surface of the heat exchanger, reducing efficiency. Typically, most contaminants are washed away by the flow of wastewater through the heat exchanger.